Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says this app has been blocked for your protection and how you can bypass this and fix your problem. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is open Registry editor. If you don't know how to open Registry editor, just go over to your desktop and hit Windows key and then type regedit. It will open Registry editor, click yes, and it will open like this. Now what you have to do is click on view and make sure the address bar is checked. Now you have to type in this path in the address bar: computer, HKey, local machine, software, Microsoft Windows current version, policies, system. Once you're here, you'll find enable LUA file. Just double click on it, and here you'll see it will be set to 1. Just remove this and set it to 0. Click OK, restart your PC, and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem is still a good, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.